Hello. In today's 5-Minute Friday, I'm going to show you a few things that can help you with your more complex mission creations. That's ones where you have multiple elements, particularly if those elements are very similar, such as waypoints. So here's a mission that I actually ran for a client just recently. And as you can see, there's a couple of things here. One is, I want to make sure that this can complete on a single battery. So up here, if I click mission estimate, I can click on that. And it'll give me a mission estimate. And I'm sure you've seen this before, but if you haven't, this is one way to do it. But one thing that's kind of cool, and a lot of people don't realize, is that over here it says summary. So if you click on that, it allows you to pick each of the different elements and see how long each one takes. But when they're all just called waypoints, it's kind of strange. You're not really sure which is which. So there's a couple of things we can do to make that clearer. So the first thing is I'm going to drill into this one and I'm going to click on one of these items here, so waypoints. And when you click on the waypoint, you can see they all say waypoint, but up here there's a little edit box, and many people are not aware of this. The other thing that you have is this show only this, which is a really handy tool. So if I click on this, it shows me just this piece of it. So I can see that this is the trucking shot that's facing the site. I know the site is over here, so this is the west trucking shot. So what I can do is I can go up here, click on that edit, and I can type west trucking shot. And by doing that, now you'll see over here it says west trucking shot. Well, that's great. Now I want to go and I want to look at this one. Okay, that looks like the west push in and out, so I'm going to edit and I'm going to go west push in, out. And I'm going to carry on doing this for the rest of the mission. So I'll zip through this. Okay, so here we are, we're back, and now we have this mission set up, and I can see each of these elements has now been named. So if I know which one I want to move or do something with, I can find it here much easier than before. So this is great. So this has helped clean things up anyway. But now here's a little trick that I use quite often, and that is to move things around to try and get things to be a little bit faster. As I said, I really would like this to complete in a single battery, and 20 minutes, if you add some wind, you could easily find yourself getting a bit low, particularly if it's quite far away. You could have your smart return to home kick in just as it's finishing that last video, and that gets really frustrating. But as I mentioned before, if you click on the mission estimate, you can see, right? And now we can see each one. So you've got the basic setup, I've got the west trucking shot. I can see how long each one of these takes. But more importantly, this is saying it's taking me 19 minutes. But if you look at the way it's set up, it's kind of jumping all over the place. So it starts over here and it does this shot, and then it moves down, and that one's probably okay. But then it jumps all the way over to the far side of the site, and then it's got to come back, right? So then we go and we do the south push in, and then finally this. So I think this is in the wrong order. I think we can make things better. So as a good example, the east push in, I think the east push in would be better off happening just before the west southern trucking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on that and I'm going to move it down. Use this arrow to move things down, right? So now what happens is, instead of going over here and then going all the way over to the far side, what it's actually going to do is it's going to come down here, do the south, come up here, do the east, and then it's going to start very close to where this one starts, and it's going to go around this big L, right? So by moving that around, previously we were 19 minutes. Let's see what we get now. 16 minutes, 47 seconds. That's a big difference, and that could be the buffer that you need to get this done in a single battery. So these are two techniques I use pretty regularly to try and get my missions down so they fit in one battery. And that's kind of it. I mean, I hope you found that helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment, whatever. And I'll be back with another video very soon.